about to take a little road trip, and on the way I'm going to stop by 2 pawn shops. We're going to see what kind of knives we can find.
See anything?
Buying a case and hopefully a Schrade. A little road trip and struck gold.
How's it going?
Good, sir.
What's that, sir?
One thing you can always count on. Yeah. And every bone socket they have a table full of sockets.
Yeah.
Practice, yeah.
And seating off.
That one right there. Maybe that old case right there. I think that's gonna be it, buddy.
All right.
Well, I appreciate it, man. I'm out here on my little trail. I'm walking my dogs. They're getting old boys, old men. About 13 years old this month. They'll be 13 years old at the end of the month. You're gonna be surprised at what I found today and the prices I gave for them. I felt like I got some pretty good deals, and I found a good old knife for a project. So I can't wait to show you some good stuff. What's up, guys? Kevin with the Knife Doctor. Today I went on a road trip with a friend of mine, and we stopped by 2 pawn shops, and I come across some sweet deals like I always do. They're out there, guys. You just gotta look. Got a brand new case. I ain't telling you how much I paid for that. And we'll open it up in a minute. But look at this Camillus. I thought it was China made because it was such good condition. But look at that stamp on that tang right there. And look at that blade. Doesn't look like it's been used. I'm thinking this is they're coyotes. Pretty cool. Look at that Camillus. Don't look good. Check all these blades out. Don't like it's. Y'all hear that? Sound like a pack of werewolves. I love to hear that sound. Just check this out. Don't that look good? I'm thinking it's in the 2000s. I think because they went bankrupt in 2007. I think this is one of their newer camp knives. This is my absolutely favorite knife to collect, a camp knife like this with 4 blades. But she is immaculate. I ain't gonna lie, I gave $30 for this, no tax. But I felt like that was a good buy. The condition that it's in, beautiful knife. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. It's brass, that'll shine up good. And check this case out. It's one of the cheaper cases, but look how much I gave for it. $25. It's a 2022, which I've never seen. I've seen a Sod Buster before, but I've never seen this type though. Check that out. Brand new. 2022. Got 8 dots. Ain't that cool? It's a good knife. Very good knife. I couldn't believe that. Right now they're selling on eBay for about 40 bucks. 39 bucks. I think that's what you can buy them at Case for too. It's a good knife though. Good find, I felt like. Ain't never been used. These two are going to be Christmas presents for my sons. I buy them a knife every year since they were about 8 or 9 years old. Okay, these were great finds. Alright, I found another old Schrade with a match strike. Check that out. I mean, I gave 10 bucks for this. Cash, no tax. Stockman, a Schrade Stockman. But it's nasty. I fix to clean this up, and we're gonna see if we can't get some of the snap back in the blades. But look down in there, nasty in it. We're gonna see how good this is gonna clean up. Ooh, that blade ain't gonna get no snap back. Oh, that's got a little snap. The two blades got a little snap to it. All right, the Neville Doll treatment. Only thing I'm gonna do is clean this brass up on this one. See how pretty that is now? I'm gonna touch up this blade real quick. It's got a little nick right there. I'm gonna fix that. I just saw that. All right. To recap, paid $30 for this. It cleaned up really good. It looks new. That's why I went ahead and gave $30 for it. Never seen one like this before. I usually don't buy new knives or anything, but this one I couldn't pass up because I love camping knives. Springs are strong, but it's a good knife. See that right there? I think this stamp tang was used from the mid-90s all the way up to 2007 till they went bankrupt. But it's a good knife. Couldn't pass it up when I saw this. Beautiful. All right, then the Case Sod Buster, 2022. It's nice. These are good knives to have, and you don't have that much invested in them, but they're still a case knife, you know. Couldn't pass that up for 25 bucks. You know, great knife. And this little jewel, paid $10 for it. Check it out. It cleaned up really, really good. And I put new edges on these and fix that blade right there. And it's sharp now. Ooh, put a new edge on that one too. It was like rounded off. It's good. It's got a little bit of snapback. See there? Snappability. But this one I think is shot. Yeah. See, that's all right though. It's still a good knife to have, you know. And it's got a match strike, a long pull match strike. Very nice. But it cleaned up good. See the inside here? Remember how it was? Looks good. I love finding old knives like this, and all they need is a little bit of TLC. But you can find deals like this all the time. This is a good knife for $10. But I had fun today. The little road trip. Stopped at 2 pawn shops. I bought these two at one and this one at the other. All right, guys, I'm gonna have this video out in the morning, but I'm gonna be on my way to the Georgia Bushcraft gathering up in Watkinsville. So I'm gonna try to get some videos posted this weekend, but if not, it's probably gonna be Monday. But I will be filming up there, and I'll have some video footage to put out next week. But again, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today. I appreciate it so much. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Y'all stay sharp.